I'm making this short video about Dreamshell with this SD card adapter. When I put in this SD card, in my limited experience, sometimes it just can't read the SD card. It's pretty, maybe it's my SD card reader, but it's really picky. So in this video, I'll show you when I plug in this SanDisk Class 10. When I plug it in, it's not gonna, it says it reads the SD card, but then it just fails. And again, I've formatted this FAT32 in 16 kilobyte, 32 kilobyte, as well as 64 kilobyte, and it cannot read. I've tried reformatting it different ways to fix the MBR, and you'll see the error message soon. It's plugged in, powering up. I just want to make this video because it's frustrating for me. I format it so many different ways and it wouldn't work. You can try a different version of Dreamshell to copy it over, and maybe it'll read the SD card, but it's so time consuming. It was just easier to try a different SD card that was accepted by Dreamshell. And so this is going to happen really fast. It's a difficult thing. It shows the message, but it's only like for a second. So can't read the MBR. And it loads to this. So it's going to be one of two. It can't read the SD card or it can't read the MBR. In which case, I don't know the solution. Again, I've taken this and tried fixing the MBR, trying to format it different ways to get the MBR to work. It just can't read this SD card. And again, it might go back to the fact that there's something wrong with this SD card adapter. When I try this, it says SD card not found. So there's two cards already. And then also I've tried this card. It works for a while, and then sometimes it fails. Let me plug it in. When I say it fails, is it loads a bunch of like console words, sentences, and it says it can't open a file. Something about it says it can't open the file or something. I don't know. It's beyond me. So this sometimes works. If I have this inkling that if I copy too many games onto here, it's not good because it takes a while for it to read. See, it shows that it's mounting the file system, so everything's okay. It looks like it's going to work. But like I said, even once you get into here, there could be issues where the program won't load. So let me go to isobootloader. And this is what happens to me. My gosh. So, again, when this happens, I can't use the SD card anymore. I have to I just can't copy the SD folder. I have to reformat the what do you call it? SD card and copy everything back over. So, I guess can't parse XML. So anyways, long story short, I think this SD card works. Like I said, it's picky for me. And so this is the second error, something error reading MBR or something. So again, try a different SD card, or you can try reformatting it. But it looks like it has issues with that SD card. That's my limited experience. And you can see right over here, this SD card was working a while ago, but now it loads to this. And it probably won't work anymore.